Toytime Surprise!
Hello, loves. It's little Annie here from Toytime Surprise, and we have brought you the Disney Little Kingdom princesses today. They are looking for a magical golden egg, but first, they had planned a party, and they want you to join them. So, we have Rugger, and we have all our Disney little princesses here, and they want to sing a song for you. Are you ready, loves? Here we go. Let's start with Belle. Oh, it's a princess party, and we're here to have a lot of fun. Oh, it's a princess party, and we will not be outdone. Oh, our friends will all gather, and there's no place we would rather be. Oh, it's a princess party, and it's just for you and me. Hello, loves. It's Belle here, and we can't wait for you to join us on our fashion show party. And we have a special treat for you too. For you too, Rugger. Oh, that's great! I know, because you are going to help us with our Spring Fling fashion show. I know that you prepared some great stuff for us, Rugger. It's so nice to have you here. Aw, I can't wait. All right, loves, let's begin. Okay, loves, our little Disney Kingdom princesses come with a lot of great dresses. So let's go to Rapunzel. Look at her beautiful hair. And Rapunzel, are you ready to get a new outfit? I think she is, so let's start. We'll put Rapunzel right over there and look at our sparkly pink Play-Doh. Now, because the warm weather's coming up, we're going to give our little princesses some shorts to wear. So, let's take off our little skirt and let's see. We'll get this going, put her little stand over there. And we are going to make our princess some little shorts. Okay, let me make sure you're standing up, Rapunzel. And we're going to give you some pink sparkly shorts. So we'll bundle it up. And here we go. Okay, we'll wrap that around. Just in time for the warm weather. We don't want those long skirts and dresses on anymore. We want to give a little bit of shorts. Yeah, pink sparkle shorts. So, this is more like a skirt with some shorts underneath. And Rapunzel, how does that feel? I like it a lot. Awesome. So great. And how about we give you a new little hairpin? So we'll move Rapunzel's stuff over there and we'll give her a little pink bow. So we'll twist it and pop it right in there to match her shorts. Yay! It looks great! So we'll place Rapunzel back with her new little skirt. All these fashion princesses are going to get something new with their Play-Doh. What do you think, loves? She's ready for spring. There she is. It is a princess party. Oh, how wonderful. Yay. So while Rapunzel's all ready, let's go to Milan. Hello, Milan. Let's see. We're going to make you a skirt too. So we're just going to take that off and set all our fashion stuff over here. Okay. Oops, we have a little elastic thing. I better cut it. So we'll get Milan ready here. Take that off. And here we go. All right, Milan, our little Disney princess. Let's make you a little aqua skirt and a new little hair bow. If I can get this open. Oh my goodness. And we'll get a new little hair bow for you too. Okay, put that away. Oopsies, Milan. And we'll give her a nice aqua skirt. So we're going to match her little blue butterfly. And we're going to give her a little dress just in time for the warmer weather. We'll wrap that around and bring it up. Oh, Milan, this is awesome. And we need a little hair tie to match. So there's her little dress. And we'll give you a little flower. All right, Milan, let's get you back in your stand. And we'll give you a little tiny flower to put in your hair. And go like this, and I hope it stays for you. There it is. Look, beautiful. And there's Milan's little sundress, just in time for the warmer weather. There we go. Beautiful. All right, Milan. It's Cinderella's turn. And Cinderella, hello. Hello, loves. How are you? Yay, I'm so glad to be here. I can't wait. Oh, we have lots. Look at her little pearl jewelry necklace. And we're going to take her bow off. So now we have Cinderella, and we're getting her ready for her nice new skirt too, and a new little bow for her head. So we'll set Cinderella in her little stand. Let me get it ready. There we go. Yay! And she's going to have a nice hot pink one. Look at that. Take a little bit out. And okay, and we'll give her a little skirt to go around the bottom. Ooh, looks nice. Beautiful. And cover it. And we'll make her wrap go right over. What a nice bathing suit cover. Just in time for the warmer weather. Oh, Cinderella, that's awesome. And we'll give you a little pink headband. So we'll move this up and give her a little pink headband. Oh, for her nice bun. There we go. Let's see if we can get that perfect. Take a little bit off. And there's Cinderella and her nice pink bathing suit wrap. Give it a little design. Poke it in. And there we go. I love her little headband, so we'll put this back on and get her to stand up for a princess fashion show. Okay, let's continue. All right, loves, that's the end of this video. Click this link to watch part 2.